Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have a unboxing, and as you can see we have a Vario. I contacted Ivan from Vario to see if I can borrow one of the new watches that I really like, and he told me sure, there is one in the EU at the moment, and sure enough, today I got the package and I thought I'll make directly a quick video of unboxing, so I'm able to wear it for the next couple of weeks so I can make you a good review video. So as you can see, Vario 1945, so the Dirty Dozen Vario version, the 1945, really nice. And as we can see here is the watch with this texture black dial, hand wind movement, sorry, automatic movement actually. You cannot see it from the see-through case back. So basically this watch, let me move it to the 1010. By the way, if you do like this kind of content, help the channel by subscribing. That helps the channel a lot, and yeah, makes me want to make more videos and more content. And let me know what kind of new videos do you want. I'm thinking about making new format videos as soon as we reach the 3,000 subscribers, which we are on the cusp of it. I'll try to change and try to update this format of unboxing review to more, let's say every week I'll try to take a watch brand and have some sort of a profile from this watch brand and my favorite watches, and I will try to do also lives. I promised you that a couple of months ago actually, and I wasn't able to do it. So back to the watch. So this one is Vario's paying tribute to the Dirty Dozen. If you don't know, Dirty Dozen are World War II field watches, Swiss and British, and they were specially built for the battlefields of the World War II. So this one, as you can see, has a classical size of 37 millimeter, lug to lug of 46, 47, and 45 actually, if you want to be precise. A thickness of 11 millimeters and a lug width of 18 millimeters. So we have a really nice compact size that I think will match a lot of people. And as you can see, beautiful texture dial. And we have BG9, BGW9 and C3 lume. So you have the numerals and hands. So two different lume colors. So to give you the blue for the numerals and the green for the hands and the pips. And inside this 316L stainless steel case, we have a Miyota 82S9 automatic movement, gilt. So basically you have Côte de Genève. We have a screw down crown, as you can see, 100 meters of water resistance. And on the case back, you do have this tribute to the soldier, as you can see, soldier carrying the flag, and I think that's a modern soldier if I'm not mistaken. And you get some writing on the case back, Singapore, where Vario is from, sapphire, automatic, 1945, so the D12 or the Dirty Dozen model for the 1945. And you can see the really nice finish on the case. You have brushed and you have polished on the bezel, while you have the front of the bezel also brushed. We have a sapphire crystal with an inner AR coating, so it's really legible as well, as you can see. But like I said, I will do a thorough review on it as soon as I start wearing it. And the 18 millimeter lug width allows you to have a lot of plethora of straps, and this is one of the ones that came with it, this sailcloth, which does give it a really nice look. And if we want to see it on my wrist, which is a 17.1 centimeter wrist. As you can see, does look quite nice. And it's really nice that this watch came today, because I sold another watch today. So basically I sold the watch and I got another watch for testing, which I'll be wearing for the next couple of weeks at least. So that's let's say a consolation, a good consolation when you sell a watch and you feel like, okay, I will be missing this watch. You get a new watch and then you forget all about it. Really like how it looks, I have to say. And I love that they have also the drilled lugs, so it makes it much easier to change. Crown at 4 o'clock or 4:15 if you want to be precise. V of Vario on the crown as well. And I know my finger stained the dial. I'm trying to find something to clean it with. And one of my friends, Rifai, if you're watching, I know, he told me to wear some kind of gloves when I'm reviewing the watches, but somehow I don't feel like wearing gloves, or not like I don't feel like it. I feel like wearing gloves gives the impression that I try to review the watch exactly as I will wear it, exactly as I will use it, and exactly I think when most of people will use. So I try to give as honest, as open. Sometimes I'm definitely also biased in cases like, for instance, the last review of a watch was from the Erebus Origin, and I bought the watch, paid 100%. I have no connection to Jody, and only that I'm a big fan. Maybe that's the bias that happened, that I got a comment or two that's saying there is no perfect watch. But for me, this one was really like buying the watch to support him, and a really excellent watch. So sometimes it happened, but that's why we have both of us. So you can write me in the comment section so I can check my biases and correct myself and definitely improve myself. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any comment about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to subscribe, hit the like button, and you might find these two videos that might interest you. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.